नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। श्लोका 56। आगतोऽयं कलिर्घोरो भविष्यन्ति पुनः कलाः तत्सङ्गेनैव सन्दोऽपि गमिष्यन्त्युग्रतां यदा। आगतोऽयं कलिर्घोरो। Agatoyam means there are number of ways. Kali means Kali Yuga. Khoro means the extreme exertion. Agatoyam Kalir Khoro, the extreme exertion of Kali Yugas. There are a number of ways. Bhavishyanti Puna Kalaha. Bhavishyanti, it can bring into practice. Puna, again. Kalaha, through the extreme waves. Tatsangenaiva santopi. Tat sangenaiva. Sangena means like we meeting the group of people together. Santopi, to get the fruit, the phalam. Gamishyandyugradam yada. Gamishyanti means to reach. Ugradam means the celestial word. Yada, in that way. Tatsangenaiva sandobi gamishyandyugradam yada. Most of them will have the fruit of residence in the celestial world. That means they will get mukti or moksha. Agatoyam kalirkhoro bhavishyanti punakkalaha tatsangenaiva sandobi gamishyandyugradam yada. There are a number of ways that is revealed to the Narada Muni by all the four sages who are the sons of the Brahma. But all of them, they can be brought into practice only through extreme exertions. Lot of efforts are needed for that. And most of them will confer the mukti or moksha, and they can have the residence in the celestial worlds. आगतोऽयं कलिर्घोरो भविष्यन्ति पुनः कलाः तत्सङ्गेनैव सन्दोऽपि गमिष्यन्त्युग्रतां यदा. Thank you.